Finally, let's talk about the C and the ABCs of sleep. Crib. Where infants sleep is just as important as how they sleep. Infants are safest when they sleep on a firm, flat, and non-inclined sleep surface. This could include a crib, portable crib, or play yard that meets the current standards set by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that only new cribs be used because old ones may not meet current safety standards. It's also a good idea to check the Consumer Product Safety Commission website to make sure that the cribs you are using have not been recalled. Never use a crib that is broken or missing parts. You should not try to fix a broken crib. If you want to learn about programs in Missouri that can help you get safe cribs, see the resources provided at the end of this training. In general, you want to design a sleep space for babies where there is no risk they will be suffocated by something soft or become stuck between the mattress and the side of the bed. First, be sure to use the mattress that is designed specifically for the crib, playpen, portable crib, or play yard you have. There should not be a gap between the mattress and the side of the crib or other sleep product you are using. Gaps can lead to an infant becoming stuck between the mattress and crib, increasing the risk for a sleep-related death. You also want to make sure that the mattresses you are using are firm and flat. They should not fold inward when a fitted sheet is added. This might happen when the fitted sheet you are using is too small for the mattress. The surface of the mattress should be firm enough so that it does not change its shape when the infant is placed on it. The infant's body and head should not sink into the mattress, as this can increase the risk of suffocation. Relatedly, an infant should never sleep on a mattress designed for older children or adults. These mattresses are too soft and do not have the firmness needed to keep an infant safe. Couches and recliners are especially dangerous and should never be used as a sleeping surface for infants. Infants can easily become stuck between cushions, which can lead to suffocation. If an adult is lying on a couch with an infant, there's also a chance the adult could unknowingly roll onto the infant. Infants who sleep on a couch or other sofa chair are 22 to 67 times more likely to die from a sleep-related death in infancy. In addition to the sleeping surface not being too soft, infants should always be placed on a surface that is not slanted or inclined. Infants do not have good control over their muscles, especially those in their head and neck. Sleeping at an incline increases the chances that a baby's chin will drop down to their chest. This can block the airways, limiting the amount of oxygen they breathe as they sleep. For this reason, many inclined sleepers have been recalled. They are no longer considered safe sleeping environments for babies. In addition, there are a number of commercial sleeping devices like wedges, positioners, and anti-roll products that claim to reduce the risk of sleep-related infant death. However, this is not true. The American Academy of Pediatrics, along with the Consumer Product Safety Commission and the FDA, all warn against the use of these devices. These devices can actually increase the risk of a sleep-related death because they are usually soft and could lead to suffocation. Remember, a baby is safest when they are placed in a crib alone. For many of the same reasons, infants should never be left sleeping in a car seat, strollers, swings, or infant carriers. If an infant falls asleep while in one of these devices, they should be moved to a crib or other firm and flat sleeping surface as soon as safely possible. If an infant arrives at your program asleep in their car seat, gently move the infant from the car to an appropriate sleeping surface. It may seem natural to just let the baby continue sleeping in their car seat. However, once out of the car, sleeping in the car seat is not safe. The incline of the car seat when placed on the ground can cause the infant to sink down. This can block their airways, as shown before. This is especially likely to happen if the straps of the car seat are loosened. These loose straps also present a hazard as they can become tangled around the infant's neck. Car seats with sleeping infants should never be placed on an elevated surface like a table or on a soft surface like a crib mattress or bed. This can cause the car seat to tip or fall with the infant in it, which is extremely dangerous. The safest solution is to move the sleeping infant from the car seat to a crib. Finally, make sure that the infant's sleeping areas are free from any other hazards. Remove electric wires or other dangling cords like those on blinds. These can create a risk of strangulation if too close to the infant. To summarize the C of safe sleep, infants should always be placed on a firm, flat, and non-inclined sleep surface. You will want to make sure the crib or sleep surface you are using meets all the latest safety standards. You should also use a mattress designed for that product and for infants. Infants should never sleep on a soft adult mattress or on couches, sofas, or recliners. Babies should also not sleep in inclined sleepers, car seats, strollers, swings, infant carriers, or infant slings. If a baby falls asleep in one of these devices, they should be moved to a firm, flat sleeping surface as soon as possible. Finally, carefully inspect the sleeping environment to make sure it is free of any other potential hazards like cords or string.